Yeah, I wanna make this like you can ride however you want, but I like that. I want to kind of enjoy the nice environment. Oh my God, there's a corner.
Dude, that was insane.
Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Let me make sure I'm recording. I am. I'm out with my dad. We're on one of my favorite roads that you guys have seen many times on the channel. I actually rode the Aprilia a little bit this morning, and I forgot how fast and how torquey a 1000 is, especially a V-twin compared to the 600. It's a drastic difference, just the way it feels. So we're gonna try to get a couple races in because he's got a lot of low-end power. This has a lot of top-end power, so it feels a lot different, but I'm wondering how different it really is. But I'm also a much smaller person. I probably weigh like 60 pounds less than he weighs, so we're gonna give it a test run today. We're just out for a relaxing ride. We'll definitely get a few pulls in, have a little bit of fun. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you guys go back 2 years ago, which is like, I don't know how many videos ago, I did a full ride and review on that Aprilia. Funny, at high speed my mirrors vibrate, they like wiggle. A couple mattresses on the side of the road, nice. Oh my God, dude, this bike is so fun. That was good. There he goes. been a while since I've ridden with my dad, man. This is fun. He's still going. Guy's wilding today. Alright, easy there, dude. Is he taking this corner hard? I hope not. Alright, good. Oh my god, he is. God, bro. The adrenaline. He's still going. Alright, there's someone chopped up here, brother. Relax. Oh my god, dude. Alright, easy. Man, he's feeling ballsy today. Well guys, that was pretty much the entire road. That was a lot of fun. That is probably the fastest I've done that road in a long time. That was definitely the fastest I've done that road in a long time. My dad's nuts. God, dude. It's funny, right before we left, he's like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna go chill.
Yeah, I wanna make this, like, you can ride however you want, but I wanna kind of enjoy the nice environment.
I'm not really trying to go that fast, you know, like maybe a pull here and there. He conquered that road. The adrenaline took over. He knows I can catch up, but you got so much room, brother. Just go. Just go. Oh my god. I'm gonna be here all day. All day. got down that road so fast, I still have more than half a battery left. That's crazy. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm actually going to be recording 2 separate videos today. I'm going to meet up with Kurgz. He came up with a name finally, Kurgz. I will tag his Instagram and his YouTube channel in the description of this video. That's assuming he actually makes a YouTube channel by the time I post this video. But he's the guy with the ZX6R. We're going riding a little bit today. We're going to go out to the spot, practice some wheelies. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Dude, that was wild. I was like, holy crap.
I don't know. I don't know the last time I looked down and saw myself in the 150. But I got my shifting down a little better.
Good.
I know I can get a little more out of it.
Crazy. You guys see where I get it from now.